Alright guys, this is your boy and one and only guy Sidako, and in this video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make money online. This platform is actually there for it to show you how to make money online. So guys, without wasting much time, let's delve into it. So there's this new website that I'm going to explain and talk about, which will help all of us to make money online. This platform is to teach or bring out new method of making money online so that you can also get something for yourself. So the website is ZM68.com. You can check in the description below. I have the link posted there. Alright, so when you enter the website, just go to head to register an account. So you tap on this, and when you come here, you fill all the details. So you enter your phone number, you enter your password, repeat the password, and then you enter the invitation code. So guys, you can see the invitation code on the screen right now. Check it out. Entering my invitation code will be a blessing to me because actually it will go a long way to help me as website. Thank you very much. So after everything, click on what to register. I have an account, so I'm just going to log into my account now. And then we look at how the app work. So there's one thing special about this. The moment you create an account, you'll be given 10 Ghana cedis as a welcome bonus. So you see here, my current balance is 10 cedis. I've not invested anything, but I have 10 cedis in my account. So voila, guys, get a free 10 Ghana cedis into your account before even you start everything that you need to do. Let's talk about the whole platform, GZM. What is it about? So you can see from here some sort of mining images, which means that you get a product and then you mine like crypto, mine so that you'll be able to earn an income. So what are some of the products that we are talking about? So with here we have this amount here, 80 Ghana cedis. And with the 80 Ghana cedis, you have a daily income of 3 cedis, 60 pesos. And the period is actually what? 7 days. So after 7 days, you are getting 25 cedis, 20 pesos for investing 80 Ghana cedis. So guys, this is cool. Another one is also here, the second one, 200 Ghana cedis. Your daily income will be 9 cedis, 12 pesos, where you have a period of 7 days and then you get a lump sum or the total sum to be 84 pesos. That is for 7 days. So at the end of, let's say, 30 days, you are getting more than your expected 200 cedis. So every day you earn 9 cedis, 12 pesos. It's like you getting your wages every blessed morning. Then we have this one here. The package is 500 cedis. The daily income is 24 Ghana cedis. It's for 7 days. You are getting 168 cedis. That is per day. For the 7 days period. Yeah. So you can see from here how everything is. So we also have various products here. Yeah, but all the other products are unlocked. The only products that are available are the 4 products I just showed you. The 4 products I just showed you. Where we have the purchase, that is where you can buy from. So we have the 80 Ghana for 7 days, 80 Ghana for 30 days, 200 cedis for 7 days, and 200 cedis for 30 days. Which one you prefer, you go in for. You understand? Yeah. So I'm going to teach you how you'll be able to recharge into your account. Very, very simple. What you need to do is just come to this section. So you hit on home. You understand? When you hit on home, you just go to recharge. And when you go to recharge, you enter the amount here. I already have 10 cedis, so I want to add 70 Ghana to make it 80 cedis. Then I click on submit. Understand? So guys, when you click on submit, just enter your phone number here and click on and tap on the MTN Momo. You understand? Now when you come here, these are the transfer details. You have to be very careful here. We have the money that you are supposed to transfer, the wallet name. You are transferring the money to A Hanan Enterprise. This is the number. So what you need to do is that you copy the number here. You understand? Copy the number here and go to your phone, your dialer, enter your mobile money. So we are transferring funds. So hit on one, transfer money, go to Momo user, enter the number that you want, hit send, confirm the number again, enter the amount. The amount is 17, and then my reference. I'll just enter anything there, and you see the name. The name here is what? A Hanan. Then you enter your code. Yes, so for the purpose of this, I will write my code. You need to do my code. So I will enter. Boom! They said I've made a transfer. So you wait a bit, go back to the website, refresh, and let's see that. So guys, when you are done, come and tap on transfer completed. And then they say you should enter your transfer credentials. So we'll go to our message, the message that will copy our transfer credentials. Alright, so you just have to go and copy your transaction ID, copy, and then click on confirm. It says upload success. So we'll go back to our computer. So guys, straight up the money is my account right now, which is the 80 Ghana cedis. So I'll go to my home page and start the trading process. I'll just go to purchase. I'm going to do it for 7 days. Yeah, I'll do it for 7 days. So I'll go to purchase, and when you tap on purchase, it will tell you purchase successful. You understand? So I'm actually on the system. You can see my recharges now, my balance, which means that I've bought a product. It's working. So this is my order, and the order says I will get 3 CD 60 pesos. It's running for 7 days. Yes. So this is how we do it. Let me also teach you another way you can earn money. You have to build a team. What you need to do is that you share your links to other people for them to join. You have first level commission, secondary commission, and the third level commission. You earn the money whilst people are joining with your link. So you have to copy your referral link and then you share it to others. If you want to do so, come to my tab, which is the last section on menu here. You go to share. When you go to share, you can copy your link here. You can copy your link here and share to others. Yes. So when you share, this is what you stand to gain. You get commission of 8% for the first line of the tier 1 commission. The tier 2 you get 4%, and the level 3 commission you get 2%. So anytime that you share your link, those people who are going to register under your link will be helping you to get money as well. So my invitation code is still popping up on the screen. Don't forget to enter invitation code because I'll be glad. Yeah. So let me also quickly show you the last thing. If you want to withdraw, you tap on withdraw, and then you enter your bank name. Pick which one you are going to use. I'm going to use MTN. And the account name, you enter the name that you have on your account. So I will enter the name here. So I'll enter my name here, the name section, like this. Under the account section, you enter your number, mobile money number, and then the name, you enter your name. So you have to be very, very careful and read this instruction. It says that the company withdrawal fee is 8%. You understand? And the company withdrawal time is 9 o'clock to 5. So it means that if it is 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8:59, you can't withdraw. When it is 6 o'clock, you can't withdraw. So you have to withdraw between the hours of 9 and 5 p.m. Take note of that. And whenever you withdraw, the withdrawal fee is 8% of whatever you are going to withdraw. So if you are withdrawing, let's say 100 Ghana cedis, you'll be charged 8% of the withdrawal fee. So guys, that is the new platform I want to explain to you, ZM. Check it out. The description and everything, the link is actually in the description. Just tap on it and register as soon as possible. Yeah, so you have to move fast. This is a really quick way to make money online. There's something small for you to be able to earn. You understand? So these are all the commission rules. Share the link, get me make money. So that is all for today. This is your boy Sigago, and this is Sigago Tech Lab. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you love what you are doing. And more and more, if you hit on the notification bell, we'll give you back-to-back content about this same area, how to make money online. So thank you. Take a stay. I'll be back soon.